you get me for do this, you know? You turned me in a delivery woman.
Thanks, because right now Kareem mash up and you alone I could have known to do it for me.
I'm proud of you, little girl. I'm proud of you. Full-fledged relationship, businesswoman, and sleeper. Proud. But me don't know the food them I got on here.
Me text you the address, Bubbles.
Alright, Tony.
So, cause the bike have no major damage.
Yeah, I have got big back bike right over there. Look, thing you go out with the you. Right, just no be a problem I put on the line and that. Yeah, I believe it. I remember back with the evening or something, you run, pick up yourself. Gang right, but you ride at that.
No, cause me not ride but the man never did it, brother. So me just the people in food. Alright, cause my apology again. I just really want to fix things, you know, like me I try to be the hero. Yeah. It a come on, you know, you want to say they slip out and the doctor set it back, bro. But it a... No, everything good. Yeah, whole heap of cherry. Alright, cool, that's cool. My apologies again, alright, cause won't happen again, I'll be the hero. But respect again, cause